keys to the kingdom. I got the keys to the kingdom. You know I'm living in freedom. I got the keys to the kingdom. Out of a rock, flowing like water, prodigal son, return to the father. I got a mission, he's got a plan. All of my life in the palm of his hand. Give me a break, I said I don't need it. I got the faith, I promise I'll keep it. Give me the truth so that I believe it. Head to my soul so that I can speak it. I got the keys to the kingdom. I got the keys to the kingdom. I got the keys to the kingdom. You know I'm living in freedom. I got the keys to the kingdom. Yeah, I got the keys to the kingdom. Everyone says that they got the juice, but how many of them are bearing good fruit? Being a light, sharing the news, speak to the goodness of living in truth. I got the keys to the kingdom. I got the keys to the kingdom. I got the keys to the kingdom. I got the keys to the kingdom.
Hindi talaga ma-explain, hindi maipaliwanag kung paano nating narating ito, di ba? Ito ay dahil sa inyong lahat. At siyempre sa namumuno, ang aking anak na si Bennett at saka si Daniel, sa tulong ni Mark at ni May, at ang kanyang mga kasama. Labis akong nagpapasalamat. At mukhang nakabuti naman yung nagkaroon kayo ng sarili, no? Akala ko, hindi tayo magtatagumpay ng ganito. Pero ang dalawang pangkat ay nakita kong naging successful. Maraming salamat sa ating Panginoon at patuloy tayong magtulong-tulungan upang marating pa natin ang mas mataas pa.
Sa pag-ulana po sa supervisor ko po, tsaka kay Ma'am Sheila. Maraming salamat. Kasi una-una po salamat. Thank you po. Hindi ko expecting na meron ako. Yeah, Mama Lo, thank you po sa lahat. So, sa lahat po ng sumahan po, maraming salamat po.
Sasabi ko lang po ay thank you. Thank you very much.
Wala ko nagkausap ka dito salamat sa upan niyo pamagal sa akin. Maraming salamat din po sa mga nagpapos namin, si Lenny, si Ma'am Bennett, si Sir Joel, si Mami Darcel. Sobrang pa ako nagpapasalamat. Yun lang po.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa team na ako. Hindi ko naman makukuha ako. Wala yung tulong nila. Tapos yung
Salamat daw. Boss, most especially Ma'am Lindy Valdez, Ma'am Bennett Medina, Sir Mark, Sir JM, Ma'am B, maraming salamat po. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year po sir.
Everybody just have a good time.
I'm shuffling. Yeah. Every day I'm shuffling.